Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can find your username and password for WordPress using cPanel, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm using this Quora article, which is how do I find my WordPress admin password in cPanel. You can find your username and password with the same method, so don't worry about the username not being in the title. But yeah, I'll be using this answer here since it is the by far most clear answer which I've seen, and I cannot actually use cPanel at the moment, so you'll forgive me for that. However, let's get right into it without any further ado. First, let me explain what cPanel is. cPanel is a file management / general management service based on a monthly subscription. It is online and Linux based, and it is a graphics user interface, meaning you don't need to enter commands and you can use your mouse to navigate it and find icons and things like that. That's basically the definition of graphics user interface. However, I won't be boring you too much with the details. So let's get right into how you can find your admin password and username. So let's start, shall we? As you can see, this answer is the best one. And first, what you need to do is log into your cPanel account. As I said, you do need to have a valid account with a monthly subscription, so just keep that in mind. Go to the hosting provider's website, log into cPanel, and then you can start using your cPanel to find your password. Go to the databases section, which is in the cPanel dashboard. You can just find it under databases and then click on the PHP My Admin icon. Once you're there, select your WordPress database, which is in the left-hand interface or in the left-hand panel of the interface. Find the name of your WordPress database and open it. And once you're there, just locate the WP_users table. This is the table of all your users which you have registered in WordPress. Just click and open it, and this has all the accounts along with the admin account. Then you want to find the admin password by finding the user or the admin account and clicking on the edit link in the action column. This will open a form where you'll see all your details, including the password. It'll be hashed, but you can use the generate button to generate a new password and copy it to your clipboard if you're editing the admin file. Once you're there, you can just edit the password and save the new password. However, in the list of users, you will find all the passwords that you need. As I've said, they'll all be hashed, so you might need to generate a new one, but in essence, this is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.